What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. I'm super stoked about what we got going on. Very anxious and excited all at the same time because if you haven't figured it out already, we are going to be launching a website where you're going to be able to get all sorts of goodies. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys already knew this because I dropped a little hint down over there on the Instagram page, which is down in the description. So make sure you guys go over there and follow. So today's video, super exciting. I'm going to go through everything that we're going to be offering on the website. Everything here is stuff you guys have seen me install. It's the stuff that I rely on. And yeah, this is going to be an awesome opportunity for you guys to kind of support me on the channel in a way that it's just going to work really awesome. So I'm super excited, guys. Let's get into this. Let's show you guys what we're going to have on the website. Try to keep this video short. Let's do it. First and foremost, before I go through everything that is going to be offered on the website, I wanted to say one thing, and that is thank you to every single one of you guys that have subscribed to the channel, the ones that comment, the ones that like constantly. You guys have made the channel what it is today. It's still a pretty small channel, but we're growing, and I'm excited about the future for this channel. And we're going to just continue to be pushing 6.0 content because I know that's what everybody is here for. So that is what we're going to be continuing to do on the channel. As you guys know, the race truck does need an engine. And so I'd like to do a really cool build on the engine for the race truck and the transmission, but as you guys know, that stuff is extremely expensive, and so this right here is kind of a breaking point for me. It's going to be an opportunity for me to make some money so that we can continue to make these videos and continue to show you guys how to do stuff, how to work on your own trucks, how to upgrade, you know, the stuff that I would recommend, how to diagnose your trucks. I mean, all that stuff, everything related to the 6.0 world, I want to continue to be able to offer. And so we need an engine, we need a transmission for the race truck. And so this is the point where basically I'm asking for you guys to kind of help me out. And so in a way, I'm also going to be helping you guys out by offering some of these products that you can't get it anywhere else. You're only going to be able to get it on my website. So that's really cool and exciting. Been working with a couple different companies, and so this is going to be awesome. For those of you that have been subscribed to me for a long time, you know what I am all about, what I try to show in the videos. It's tips and tricks. It's what parts to use when you're upgrading, what parts to use when you're just replacing, just how to work on these things, how to diagnose them and everything. And so in a way, I kind of feel like I've been helping you guys out. At first, when I first started this channel, it was all about getting my ideas out there, like with the race truck, the oil cooler setup up front there. It was just about wanting to show my idea and seeing if it would work. And I knew there were going to be people out there that were going to be interested. And now it's just exploded into this whole nother thing that I never knew was possible. And so I know a lot of you guys are subscribed to the channel because you want to continue to see how to work on your own trucks and do a lot of this stuff on your own. And I know a lot of these videos have saved you guys tons of money from taking it to a shop. So what I'm kind of here now with this website is I'm going to be offering these products, and then I'm also going to be offering some merch, which is an opportunity for you guys to spend a little bit of money with me so that I can continue to make these videos. We can get that transmission built. I can show you guys how to do that. I can build this engine for the race truck. I can show you guys how to do that, how to spec everything out, all the parts that we're going to be using, the companies we're going to be using. And so, yeah, this is just a really good opportunity for us, me and the subscribers, to work together and, yeah, continue to produce content and keep everybody happy. So that's what it's all about. Let's show you guys what we're going to be offering on the channel, or I mean on the website. This is going to be cool. So the first thing we're going to talk about, we have t-shirts, our Left Lane Diesels t-shirts. We got the LLD Left Lane Diesels. We got the race truck. I know it didn't have a hood stack, but still pretty cool logo. Flip it over. It's basically just expanded on the back here. Really, really cool t-shirts. Super nice Gildan 64,000 style t-shirts. So they fit amazing. They feel amazing. These are awesome t-shirts. These are going to be on the website. This is probably one of the best ways to support the channel is to go get yourself a t-shirt. I have sizes from small up to double XL sizes. So Limited quantities at the moment, but as the orders come in, I will be ordering more. So definitely go pick up yourself one of these. And while you're at it, we also got the stickers over here. These are great for anything, really. If you want to put it on your toolbox, if you want to put it on the back window of your truck, really anything. These stickers are awesome. They stick very, very well. And so, yeah, these are also going to be on the website. Let's move into some of the products that we're going to be offering. So the first product that we're going to be offering on the website is a coolant filter kit. We are working with T&A Diesel out of Marshall, Michigan. So we basically just have a coolant filter block here, coolant filter, all your hoses, and then all your fittings necessary. Little bracket for where this mounts. As you guys know, we've installed a few of these. I installed one on the Towpig 2.0 that's outside there. And so these work really, really well. If you guys haven't, go pick yourself up a coolant filter. These, I can't say that they will save your oil cooler from clogging because it only filters about 10% roughly of the coolant at any given time. But when you guys do a oil cooler on your truck, this is a really awesome upgrade to ensure that you're not going to continue to clog that oil cooler. These really do work. It's well worth the money, so go get yourself one. Moving to the next product that we're going to be offering, these are one-piece up pipes for the 6.0 Powerstrokes. We have upgraded bellows here. Yeah, there's no gasket right here, so it eliminates that part. Basically, all you have is this, and then your connection at the turbo. And so these are really, really awesome. If you have leaky up pipes or you're putting a turbo on your truck, this is an awesome upgrade. That way you can eliminate this part here. You're getting the upgraded bellows. And so this, like I said, guys, this is an awesome upgrade. We have these installed on not only the King Ranch project, but also the Towpig, and we had them installed on the race truck as well. I will stand by these. These are awesome. Also working with another company. You can't get these anywhere else, and I haven't found anybody else that sells one-piece up pipes. A lot of them are two-piece, and so even if you're doing a EGR delete, you can basically just get the J-tube and then buy these, and you are all set and good to go. Upgraded up pipes. Pretty awesome. Last but not least, guys, this is my pride and joy. I put together this kit because I'm super excited about it. I think it works really, really awesome. If you guys have watched the Banks videos about differential covers, you will completely understand why I put this package together. So, first off, let's talk about differential covers in the bigger world, in the bigger scheme here. A lot of the factory ones on the Ford trucks are steel. They're prone to rusting out. Banks talked about the OEM design being the best type of design versus your Mag High-Techs, your AFE Power, basically the deep ones that hold a lot more fluid because they don't have that OEM design. And so Ford did come out on some trucks with an aluminum diff cover, which we have right here with fins on it, and it's all OEM design. And so what I really, really, really like about this is it's a little bit of an upgrade here. So this isn't going to rust out like your factory one will. It is OEM design. It's aluminum, so it's going to dissipate heat faster. These fins here are also going to help with heat and airflow across the differential cover. And so this right here is an awesome, awesome upgrade. Let's talk about this whole package here. We have 4 quarts of Schaefer's 75W140. We have all new bolts, a Scotch-Brite pad to clean up the cover, and then the razor blade also to get some of the silicone off. And then we have some silicone that'll come with the kit and brake clean. I have a video installing all of and using all of this. This is an awesome package, guys. Tell me, when was the last time you changed your fluid in your differential cover? Exactly. It's been a minute, if you've ever even done it, since you've owned the truck. And so this is an awesome upgrade. It's affordable. So a lot of times, the aftermarket diff covers, you're looking at probably around $300, and all it comes with is a differential cover, and it's not OEM design. And so this kit right here is going to be $300, shipped to your door, OEM design, aluminum with the fins, all your fluids, everything you need, everything that you need to install this. and then you can have that peace of mind that you've changed the fluid and the truck's good to go. A little bit of an upgrade. I I hate pulling off factory parts and not upgrading them, and so this is an awesome option for when you're in there changing the fluid anyways. So go over to the website, pick yourself up one of these. So this is what we're going to be starting with on the website. We're going to see how everything goes, and then we can make steps to further expand the website, including adding more products. There's a few that still need to be added onto the website that are going to be coming. I will announce those on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are going over there and following it. Down in the description is my name. You can go over there, follow me on Instagram. That way you guys can get notified when new products hit the website. Not just merch, I'm talking also products. So like a CCV reroute, we're going to be offering those on the website soon, and a few other things. So yeah, really, really exciting. Eventually we will expand our merch line as well into sweatshirts, hats, long sleeve shirts, all sorts of stuff. Instead of just stickers, I'll also come up with decals as well. So yeah, this is a breaking point, guys. This is super, super exciting. I appreciate every single one of you. I know some of you guys have probably already gone over to the website and checked it out. So by the time this video drops, the website will be available. There will be a link down in the description, leftlanediesels.com. Head over there, get yourself some merch, get yourself some products. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's continue this road. Let's get some of this stuff done. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment down below. Let me know how excited you guys are. We'll catch you in the next video.